friends, welcome you all to my YouTube channel Science World. Myself Professor Satish Paikrao. So today's our topic of discussion is study of atom and molecule. In this topic we try to study what is the atom, what is the atomic number, what is atomic mass number, what is molecule, what is how the molecular weight is determined, and in detail the structure of atom, how it consists of and what are the different constituents of atom. So that we try to see. The first, that is atom. The atom, it is considered as the smallest particle of an element or the building block of element. Okay, so why it is called smallest particle of a part of an element? Because every element or substance or matter, it consists of large number of small units. So that way smallest unit, that we call it as atom. Okay, so every state, it may be of solid, liquid or gas or plasma phase, that consists of an atom. If you consider plasma it is a highly ionized state of gas. So in that state, those atoms exist that will be in ionized state. If you want to explain an atom, if you consider a house is made up of number of bricks. So a small brick that we can represent as an atom. Okay, so it is the smallest particle of an element. If you consider the different parameters such as electric charge, the charge on atom, it is neutral or zero, it has no charge. But if it is in ionized state, it will have charge of ions. The ions will have two types of charges, that is positive and negative. Okay, the mass of an atom, it is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 27 to 4.52 into 10 to the power minus 25 kilogram. So thus it has very small mass. Okay, if you consider the size of atom, the atom is about 10 to the power 10 meters, 10 to the power minus 10 meters, or it may be 10 to the power minus 8 centimeters in size. So the size of an atom, it is also very small. So thus it cannot be seen by naked eyes. Now we try to see the next, it is structure of atom, how the atom consists of. The atom, it consists of a central nucleus in which the protons and neutrons that are present, and it is surrounded by and orbits in which the electrons that are revolving. Okay, the electron, it has negative charge, while the proton, it have positive charge, and the neutron, it is neutral. So here proton, it is positive charge, neutron, it has no charge, the electron, it is negative charge. Here you can see in the diagram electrons that are revolving, red dots, while the central nucleus, you can see the number of protons and neutrons. And the another important thing is with respect to atom is that the number of protons is always equal to number of electrons. The amount is always same for an atom. Now the question arises, why the number of protons is always equal to number of electrons? The reason is that so as to maintain the atom electrical neutral. Atom को electrical neutral करने के लिए, so number of protons will be always equal to number of electrons. What happens if the number of protons increases or number of electron increases? It will have charge, because what we have seen, the proton, it has positive charge, while the electron, it has negative charge. So कुछ भी एक बढ़ता है, proton भी बढ़ेगा और electron भी बढ़ेगा, तो it will acquire an charge. If proton increases, it will have positive charge. If electron increases, it will acquire negative charge. For example, if you consider hydrogen atom, so here, so this is hydrogen atom, which is having centrally located nucleus which has one proton and the electron. So there is one electron which is revolving around the nucleus. So that is one electron which is revolving. Okay, the next part that we try to see, that is atomic number or proton number. It is also called as a proton number or electron number, we will consider. Now what is atomic number? Atomic number is nothing but the total number of protons or electrons present in an atom. So it is nothing but or, either proton or electron, that is to be considered. Now why proton or electron is to be considered is because the number of protons is always equal to number of electrons. So that is why either any one quantity is taken. Okay. So the number of protons or electrons, that we call it as atomic number. It is represented by letter Z. Z से represent करते हैं. For example, if you consider hydrogen atom has one proton and one electron. So thus its atomic number will be 1. So we will count either proton or electron. So thus it is 1. If you consider another examples such as carbon, it has 6 protons and 6 electrons. So therefore its atomic number will be 6. The atomic number, it is represented at the below the symbol of the element. So that is in subscript. Okay. So atomic number is represented at the base of the symbol of elements, that called as subscript. Here example H1 to the base 1, it is hydrogen, carbon to the base 6, nitrogen to the base 7. So these are all atomic number of hydrogen, carbon and nitrogen. So here carbon to the base 6, it is atomic number, and what is 12? It is nothing but mass number that we study in just now. Okay. The next part, it is atomic mass number. Now what is atomic mass number? It is nothing but related to the nucleus, the mass of the nucleus. The nucleus में क्या रहता है? So nucleus, it contain number of protons and neutrons. Okay, so what is mass number then? It is nothing but the sum of number of protons and neutrons. That we call it as atomic mass number. Okay, so it is represented by letter A. The atomic number is represented by letter Z, while this atomic mass number is represented by letter A. Okay. For example, if you consider helium atom, the helium atom, it has 2 protons, atomic number will be 2. It has 2 neutrons, therefore the atomic mass number will be 4. 2 protons plus 2 neutrons, that will be 4. Okay, so here general representation, it is X, it represents the symbol, Z, it is nothing but atomic number, and A, it is nothing but mass number. The mass number is always written as superscript above the symbol of element, while atomic number is written at the below the symbol of element, that is called subscript. Okay, so here it is helium, it is 2 4, so 2 is atomic number and 4 it is nothing but mass number. The next that we try to see molecule, that large number of atoms that can combine with each other, it may be of same type or different types to form a molecule. The best example, it is water. Suppose one hydrogen atom that can one oxygen atom can combine with 2 hydrogen atoms to form water. So hydrogen and oxygen, these are elements, while the H2, it is nothing but a molecule. Or we can say hydrogen, it is one atom, oxygen is another atom, and both are going to combine to form a molecule. So what is a molecule? So molecule, these are formed by combination of 2 or more number of same or different atoms. It can be defined as the molecule is an electrically neutral group of 2 or more atoms held together by chemical bonds. So that is called as molecule. Okay, they are bonded by means of a chemical bond. For example, if you consider hydrogen molecule, so one hydrogen atom having one electron, it combines with another hydrogen atom having one electron. They share the electrons with each other, forming a covalent bond and thus forming hydrogen molecule. So hydrogen, it is an example of homoatomic molecule. The atoms are same, that is hydrogen, hydrogen. While if you consider methane, CH4, it is an example of heteroatomic molecules. So here carbon, it is one type of atom, hydrogen, it is another type of atom. So thus it is heterotype of heteroatomic molecule. H2, it is also heteroatomic molecule, ammonia is also heteroatomic molecule, etc. So in this case, one carbon, it combines with 4 hydrogen atom to form methane molecule. Then we try to see determination of molecular weight, how the molecular weight is determined, because that is also important, how we can determine the molecular weight. We know the atomic weight. Atomic weight is nothing but number of protons and neutrons. So molecular weight is determined by taking the sum of all the atomic weights of its constituent. तो जिस चीज़ से बना होगा, जो कुछ भी एटम्स उस मॉलिक्यूल में होंगे उनका एटॉमिक वेट ऐड करेंगे तो यू विल गेट द मॉलिक्यूलर वेट. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल इफ यू कंसीडर हाइड्रोजन, in case of hydrogen molecule, atomic weight of hydrogen is 1, so therefore molecular weight of hydrogen will be 1 atomic weight of one hydrogen plus atomic weight of another hydrogen, that will be equals to 2. Therefore molecular weight of H2 molecule will be 2. So here this is hydrogen molecule, one hydrogen atom, another hydrogen atom forming hydrogen molecule. Next it is methane. So atomic weight of carbon into 1, because there is only one carbon. So what is atomic weight of carbon? It is 12. 6 proton, 6 neutron into 1, that will be 12. Atomic weight of hydrogen into 4, as there are 4 hydrogen atoms. So it will be 1, that is mass number, into 4, that will be 4. If you combine these two, you will have 16. So that is the molecular weight of methane. So this is the structure of methane. So that is all about today's topic. If you like the topic, do subscribe to our channel, press like button, and if you want some another related videos, you can suggest us or you can comment below. Thank you.